So look what we have here, everybody. I threatened it in a previous video and I've only gone and done it. The analogue journey continues with an analogue typewriter. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's an Olivetti Tropical. I believe it's 1970s. And I'm absolutely thrilled with it. The ribbon is a bit worn out. So I've literally, a shame, I couldn't wait to do this. I've ordered new ribbons to come. I think they've actually arrived at home. Oh, was that bit stuck there? So new ribbons to come for this. Amazon, about £4 the ribbons, £3-4. Can't go wrong with that. And yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled with this. So I mean, listen to the clickety clack of this. Yes, it is awesome. How much did I pay for it? I know you're dying to ask me. I went to like an antiques fair thing and found it there and paid a whopping £20 for it. So I'm feeling pretty smug about that. This is part of my, I think, Ripley obsession, where bizarrely they also had a really nice travel clock, like a leather, again 1940s, 1950s, which I managed to get about £30. Very Ripley as well. So I came back with a typewriter, my travel clock, and also, let me move over here. I'm slightly disappointed about this actually. I thought this was a genius purchase. Let me move to one side for a minute. But I got myself 2 of these index for my Zettelkasten to replace my horrible leather thing. I got this. So it's got a proper, you know, holds the cards up. Brilliant in theory until I got home and should have realised that my normal size note cards don't fit. It's only going to work with the smaller ones, which I do have some of somewhere, like kind of yeah, this sort of size, normal would be perfect. But that's not what I use. So I'm a bit annoyed about that. And I've got 2 of them. They're lovely. And again, I paid. They were meant to be. This one is. I've got lids mixed up actually because that's okay. So I got 2 of them, identical, and they were meant to be 40 each. 30 each, and I got both for 40 quid. Didn't you know? I just said, what's the best price you can do for these 2? £30 each. Don't want to separate them, and they went, oh, will you take 40? I'll take 40 quid. Genius bargain. But there's a little name on it as well. Look at that. Oh, I'll knock my camera over. I wonder if I can zoom in on that. There you go. Kind of original name on it. So I'm just kind of disappointed because they are lovely. And to have these 2 together with all my cards in, Zettelkasten cards, would have been awesome. But I'd have a rethink on that. Maybe I might set up a separate section with the smaller cards just in these for something specific. And I haven't thought of it yet. Maybe my first book, I might use that. And what can I write my book on but none other than the Olivetti Tropical. Here we go. Book. I mean, that clickety clack. People are wondering what's going on next door. See, the ink's a bit faint at the moment, but you know what? We can get that sorted out. So there's this thing there. Yeah, you see. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. Anyway, work in progress. I'll get it all set up and sorted. But I was too excited. I had to film this now before I'm properly ready. But yeah, please send me your top typewriting tips and any suggestions for my index card box dilemma for my Zettelkasten. And please keep giving me your comments and feedback. I really appreciate it. And like, subscribe, all those good things that YouTube people do, so more people can turn to the analogue way and escape the digital nightmare. That's all for now, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.